We're here at NTCU and Ken is presenting at the 2020 CLIL Workshop. The title is Science is Magic.
Hot gases expand, get larger, and they also rise. Okay, now it's going to take a moment. We are floating. Thank you, Lance. Okay, and what it should produce is what? I'll stay back a little bit. All right, and all right. So that is one example, proving to us that the light coming from the sun is white light, made up of these 7 colors. And they always teach you with that tiny 1.5 volt light bulb, but one day I found something amazing. And with any luck, there we go. Once again, the lesson here is bigger is better. Magic rainbow water. Now I'm going to add some of this to some water. All right. The color change is showing us that we have an outlet and a little bit more of this, so we get a deeper effect. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. And as you can see, once again, I just cannot reach blue for some reason. I have Googled, why can't you get blue? What is the secret? Nobody has an answer for me. It wants to remain in a certain position. It's not going fast enough. This is a cheap toy version of it. But we can learn about things like angular momentum, rotational velocity. This represents what we call angular momentum. And we have to introduce an idea called torque. Now, can anybody predict what's going to happen if we spin the wheel very quickly? All right, now when I suspend it, that's going to happen. Again, we have our rotational velocity, angular momentum at 90 degrees. So as long as the tire is spinning fast enough, it wants to maintain stability. That little exercise machine. I'm going to put that on the floor. I assure you, I'm just going to be standing straight up. All right, as long as I keep this in a vertical position, nothing's going to happen. But I'm going to put some torque on the system. And what it wants to do is right itself. If it is in the vertical or horizontal position, the movement stops. It's only when we're at an angle that this happens, because it wants to achieve stability. Break up the momentum. Change the pace. It's not ice, but dry ice. This is the solid state of carbon dioxide. If you take carbon dioxide under high pressure and very low temperature, you get dry ice faster. Now the reason I'm holding it with gloves, which aren't even the best gloves for this, the temperature of this is minus 78 degrees Celsius. All right, we're using warm water. Warm water makes the process happen quicker. And when I put it into the warm water, of course, it's turning directly into gas. It's heavier than air. And one fun thing to do, our students, you can see what I'll look like if I had hair and I was a bit older. Is it working? Yes. All right. Chill. How's it taste?
Sweet.
sweet, really. I better be careful on this one, yeah?
Don't lose your job.
Whoa.
Any of my ideas that I've shared with you, think about making things bigger. Doing something to make your class a little more memorable. Again, even if it's not related to your subject, take a little veer off course and try to find a way, something that would inspire your students and make them remember a class. All right, so thank you everybody for joining us today. I appreciate it. I hope you learned something. Thank you very much.
谢谢看老师所带来的令人赞叹的教学演示与分享。Thank you, Mr. Zedek. A remarkable presentation indeed.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.